Hello, my name is Derek, and I'm currently a student with Murdoch University pursuing a degree in business management. Now, without further ado, I'm gonna be sharing with you how we can actually assemble a watch and what are the tools required in assembling a watch. First of all, before we get into assembling, let's look into what makes a watch. Now, as you can see from here, this watch is made of a glassifier, a bezel insert, which you see the dial number 10 here, it's reading over here. Okay, that's the insert. Now, there's a watch dial, which is the black ones that you're seeing here with the red text and the white text. The hour, minute, and second hand. All right. There is an inner chapter ring that is required to beautify a watch. Now, as you can see from this other watch here, it has got the white markings that indicates the seconds. Now, the next thing you need to know is that there is a crown stem within that controls or changes your movement, a case that holds everything together, and a case back. So, what you exactly need to do to assemble a full watch is first, you need to have a sapphire crystal presser. This presser uses the screwing method and the different types of the dice, to actually press your glassifier into your case. This can also be used to remove your glassifier from the watch. So before you assemble a watch glassifier onto a watch case, you definitely need a chapter ring. Remember, the chapter ring that I mentioned is actually the ones that have a different design. You can give you the white lines of seconds or in different colors. Now, after inserting this, you're going to be inserting your glass dome. But what's missing here is that there should supposed to be needing a gasket that holds your glass and your watch dial, watch case together without having any water leaking into your movement. After assembling so, you'll be using this presser to actually press the whole glass into the watch. After assembling the whole thing, right, you'll be needing the same dial presser or glass presser to insert your bezel. Now, this bezel comes along with a mechanism slider that allows the clicking of your watch when you turn it around. All right? So, therefore, you will need this mechanism to place and align them from the two dots before you press this snap thing with the device onto your watch case. Now, the next thing you will be needing is a sticker to actually stick your bezel insert onto your bezel. Now, after all of this is done, we need to talk about the core, the heart of a watch. Now, the heart of the watch is basically the movement of the watch. The movement of the watch has to be combined with the watch dial, which is the watch face, and the hour, minute, second hand. It will be used with this tool device that press the hands onto the watch face. But of course, you have to align the date if you have a watch dial that expose the dates. All you need to do now is to put everything that's assembled into the watch case. And thereafter, you will have to insert the crown stem and the crown and to close the watch case back onto the case. After doing so, basically you have the watch assembled. Now, last but not least, what you will need to do is to actually assemble the watch strap onto the watch before enjoying it.
There you have it, an example watch.